Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
The staircase two-way switch wiring presented by Nilesh Jadhav, Maruti Giri, Suraj Gawane, Pratik Jetitor under the guidance of Professor B.S. Kundresh sir. The application of staircase two-way switch wiring are as below. Mostly in the staircase, erroneous stripping of safety protection equipment, a big room having two entry or exit gate, to control any AC application like fan or light from two places like entry and exit. There are some advantages of staircase two-way switch wiring. The advantage of a two-way switch is the ability to control a single device from separate location. A convenient and appropriate use for them is for location like stairways, a long corridor or a very large. There are also some disadvantages of staircase two-way switch wiring. If you connect the circuit wire to the wrong terminal on an outlet, the outlet will still work but the polarity will be backward when it's happen a lamp. For example, will have its bulb socket sleeve energy rather than the little tap inside the socket. Here we see the circuit diagram of staircase two-way switch wiring. Let's consider the first switch S1 and the second one is S2. We see that the both switches are located at the top position of this staircase. Here we see that initially the lamp is off. By changing the position of S1 or S2, the lamp will become on or off as per our requirement. The operation steps for the staircase wiring are as below. Initially the lamp is off. When we change the position of S1, lamp will become on due to current flow. Now change the position of S2, lamp will become off due to current discontinuity. This process remains continuously. Staircase wiring is a common multi-way switching or two-way light switching connections. For that we need two one light and two switch wiring. That is to create the load from separate positions such as below. The staircase from inside or outside of a room or as a two-way bed switch etc. Here we see that when we switch on the bulb is working, hence we proved it.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.